How's it going, everyone? We're about to do some PPF on this Q8. We wrapped up the window tint. We did the PPF on the pillows so far, the roof, and the bottom of the rockers. We're gonna be moving on to the hood next. Then we're gonna work on the fenders, and then we're gonna get the bumper, grill, so on and so on. But a little update video on how the Audi's turning out, and it looks amazing so far. Can't wait to get it done. I keep you guys updated, and this thing's gonna look amazing once it's outside. This so far is wrapped in our PPF. Now we're gonna be doing the black part that's on the door as well. We're gonna wrap it up with some PPF, get that all protected, and move on to the back.
Let me talk to y'all for a second though. Let me get some lights. Let me see all the beautiful faces